So what is up guys? It's your Archiboy Rences again. So today ngayong araw ay i-share ko sa inyo yung mga realizations sa college. So without further ado, let's get started. So intro muna guys. And so ayun nga, nandito yung mga na ilista ko na mga realizations para hindi ko makalimutan. So unang realization sa college ay number 1, you lose some of your high school friends, even those friends you used to consider as for eternity. So ito yung mga akala natin na makakasama na natin habang buhay ng mga kaibigan nung nasa high school pa tayo. So kapag pag-enter mo ng college, dyan na magsisimulang magkakawatak-watak kasi may iba't iba kayong course na papasukan, may iba't iba kayong path na tatahakin. So kung totoong kaibigan mo yan, kakamustahin ka yan. So number 2, sa college marirealize mo na matututo ka ng iba't ibang klase ng pasimpleng paraan ng pagtulog sa klase ng di nahuhuli ni prof. So bakit nga ba? Kasi may mga times or even maraming times talaga na mapupuyat ka sa college. Maraming assignment, maraming activities. So next is normal nang di matulog sa dami ng subjects at sunod-sunod na requirements, at kaliwat ka ng group activities na nauubos sa brain cells at pera mo. Sabay-sabay paminsan magdeban lahat ng subjects at wala ka karapatang magreklamo. So ayun, marirealize mo yung mga sunod-sunod na requirements at kaliwat ka ng group activities. So sa college marami talaga yan guys. May expect mo talaga na yung mga 8 subjects mo, expect mong marami kang gagawin dyan. Kaya handa mo yung sarili mo. So next realization is makikita mo gaano kalandi Pilipino. So syempre as a Pilipino hindi natin maiwasan na magka-crush campus natin. May crush ka na classmate, na prof, may crush ka sa iba't ibang course at department. Sige, unli crush naman yan, libre naman. Gamitin mong pang inspiration ba para may ganaan kang pumasok sa school araw-araw. So next is, kung sa high school masaya ka ng highest ka, sa college pumasa ka lang grabeng kagalakan na. We do not seek for recognition here sa college. We are after the survival. So ang college guys, survival of the fittest. So dapat matatag ka, malakas yung pag-iisip mo, malakas yung katawan mo, malakas yung fighting spirit mo dapat. We do not see someone else as a rival, but rather college is a battle between me and myself. So ang college ay hindi yan competition sa iba, kundi competition mo mismo sa sarili mo. And me with my degree. So ano yung goal mo sa college? Syempre to get that degree, right? So will I finish it or will it finish me? So matatapos mo ba yung pinili mong course or yung course yung tatapos tayo? So next, college is an ocean. It's either you sink or you'll help yourself and swim. So ayun, understood naman yan. Next realization is, imumulat ka sa mundo, mga akala mong tama, mali pala. Mga pangyayari sa lipunang akala natin normal lang, pero epekto lang pala ng nakaraan. facts na hindi sinasabi sa libro, mga kwentong hindi na isasalin sa kahit na anumang akademikong pabasahin. Promise, feel ko na mamumundok, sumama sa mga terorista at mag-aral mamamaril. Joke lang. You can get along and makipagplastikan even to the people you hate for the sake of school activity. So hindi mo talaga maiiwasan yan. Kailangan mong makipagplastikan kung may hindi ka man gusto sa room nyo at swerte mo siya yung naka-group mo. So kailangan mo talagang makisama. Kailangan mong imulat yung pag-iisip mo para lang maka-survive ka, para makapasa sa school activities. So next is sa college, lot of GCs yan. Marami kang GC, mayroon kang GC sa section, GC sa mga subjects, GC sa mga tropa, GC sa bawat activities, GC ng bawat club or mga organizations, GC ulit sa section ng advisor. Lahat, maraming GC sa college guys. So good luck na lang. Next is, you'll meet some temporary and even lifetime friends with whom you can share your stress with. So sa college, hindi lang basta-basta nag-i-stack yung set every sem kasi nagsha-shuffle yan. So makakamit ka talaga ng mga temporary friends at of course lifetime friends. So dapat choose wisely lang. So next is sa college, maraming readings. Basta maraming reading sa college guys. Next is sa college, less time for jowa. Kaya challenge ito sa mga may jowa, dahil if your relationship is genuine enough, most likely you'll lose interest on each other due to lack of time. Pero sabi nga nila, update is enough naman. So yun. Next is, marirealize mong bobo ka. This is the place where the world will slap you with the fact that hindi ka matalino. Masipag ka lang. Most likely to experience it are those who are achievers in high school. Kasi sila yung nag-iisip ng Dale, gather unos, with Dean's Lister, graduate with Latin honors. The compliments from other people because of their academic awards in high school gave them complex. Kaya nang mapunta sila sa mundo kung saan maraming matalinong gaya nila, they'll start doubting. So sa college guys, maraming mas matalino sa'yo. And yun nga, may kasabihan na there is something to be learned in someone. So this is where their self-identity are the risk. Getting disappointed and ashamed of themselves because failing academically doesn't literally just mean failing as a student for them, but rather it is failing as son, daughter, failing as a former achiever, and failing as a human being who was one receiving medals but now depressed and looking down on himself. So ito yung mga taong ayaw nilang malamangan ba, parang ganon. Or ito yung mga dating achievers na ayaw nilang ma-disappoint yung mga sumusuporta sa kanila. So next realization is, you can be seatmate and blockmate with people for months yet you still don't know their names. So hindi lahat makikilala mo yung mga pangalan nila. Yung mga iba, makaka-blockmates mo lang. So next realization sa college and dapat mong ma-expect is maraming quizzes. Tutuyo at tutuyo talaga yung utak nyo dyan guys. So This will definitely show if you are learning from hours of discussion. So review lang guys pag may time. Next is grades won't literally measure your intellect, but it does measure your perseverance and sense of responsibility. This explains why there are teachers na sobrang galing but they were not academic achievers. They learned through their heart, not just bookish mind. Next is matututo kang di lang basta magkabisa kundi aralin at unawain ang lessons dahil karamihan sa exams di lang basta definition ibibigay sa'yo. Kaya kung sanay ka sa memorization, learn to adjust your study style then change. Don't memorize but familiarize guys. Yan yung technique. So I think ito lang muna yung may share ko sa inyo. So ayun, sana may nakuha kayong mga insights sa kung ano yung mga realizations at kung ano yung mga dapat expect sa college. So good luck sa inyo. So padayon, kaya natin to.